Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can add search bar in Wix. Now this is very quick and easy. First thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on sites in the top left. Now I named it make money for you. You just need to click on that, and then you want to click on go to all my sites. Now it will take you directly, guys, to all your sites. Now if you have multiple sites, you will find them here. Now you just need to find a site that you want to add the search bar to. So I would like to add the search bar to this site. I'm going to add it. Just click on select and edit site, and after that it will take you guys to the dashboard. As you can see, welcome back, Mohammed. Now you just need to click on edit site in the top right. Now after that you just need to wait a few seconds, and then you will be able, guys, and then I will show you how you can add the search bar on your Wix website in just a few seconds. Okay, so just wait, and then after that, what you guys need to do after you open the site that you want to add the search bar, you just need to click on where it says like this plus button in the top here left. Click on that, and then where it says search, you want to click on search and search for search. If that makes sense, just search for search. Okay, good to, yeah. Now after, guys, you click on search, you will find a few different options here. Now it says here apps for your site. What you guys need to do, you want to click on site search. Okay, just click on site search, and after that, guys, you want to find which button you want to add, this one or this one or this one. So I would like to this one. Just like drag it to your site, just press and hold on it and drag it anywhere here you want, so that you can start customizing it. Okay, just wait a few seconds and you will be able, guys, to add that site here. Now it seems like it's not here. Okay, this is it. Okay, now we have added the, just wait a few seconds. Okay, now as you can see, it says here enter search term. Now what you guys need to do, you just need to like put this somewhere you like. Okay, but for this video I'm just going to leave it like here. Now you can click on settings, and you can for example show results. Just you can customize this. You can enable, for example, show results suggestions when a user starts typing, show trending items before the user starts. Now you can customize this as you want. You can disable this if you want. Here it says place for example placeholder text. Now you just need to, for example, search. Okay, I'm going to search here. It's going to be here. Like if like if someone for example visits your site, they will see like search here. Okay, now after that you just need to click on publish in the top right, and then wait a few seconds. Click on done, click X. I'm going to click on publish. I'm going to open this site, and I'm going to show you guys if this search button works fine or not. So as you can see here, for example, I'm going to search for about. As you can see, it takes me directly to about section. Okay, for example, you can, yeah, people can search anything on the search results, anything you have on. If you have like multiple services, they can just search for that service and it will appear here. Okay, hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.